What would the iconic Lamborghini Diablo look like if it was designed today? Using Photoshop and AI, I've created some fantastic designs. Here are the best ones. I took a lot of inspiration from recent Lamborghini models, especially the Aventador, which I absolutely love. I retained the Diablo's shape, but rounded off its edges. For the headlights, I used the design from the Countach, which I think looks really great on it. The second design is slightly shorter. The front is much simpler and cleaner. I love the design of the rear air intake and the side skirts, but overall, it looked like an older Lamborghini model. Since the previous design didn't look very modern, I decided to revamp it completely after reviewing current Lamborghini designs. Please excuse the patch-up job at the beginning, but the car received so much Photoshop that I decided to save some time. Overall, I think this design is very good. It still has traces of the Diablo, but it's modern too. For the next designs, I strayed further from current Lamborghini models and created ultra-modern, sci-fi-esque Diablo designs. This design conveys power and dominance, exactly what we expect from a Diablo. I love the design of the headlights and the bumper. I think this design is truly beautiful. With this next design, I moved even further from reality. It's a very aggressive design, and the car's shape has changed so much that it's lost its Diablo identity. However, the front is absolutely amazing. Since the previous design lost the essence of the Diablo, I tried to bring it back in this design. It ended up a bit Transformers-like, especially when looking at the side skirts, but overall, it turned out stunningly beautiful. The final design for today has been edited so many times that it lost even the last hint of Lamborghini, but it turned out so beautiful that I included it in the video anyway. I'll leave you with this beautiful design. Let me know in the comments which design you like the most and what kind of video you would like to see next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.